We are back with another American candy box, and we have an awesome letter here.
We've got an essay from
Crystal. Dear Kate and Alex, I hope you enjoyed the box I've sent. In watching your videos, I noticed you needed some treats from the Midwest, more specifically Michigan. Have we ever tried any Michigan?
I don't think so.
No. This box contains stuff from all over the state, though I am from Detroit.
Detroit in the house, what? Say what?
Detroit massive.
I feel like people say that after they say Detroit.
Yeah, maybe.
Sorry.
Couldn't send a package without sending some beer for Alex.
Yes!
From one of our 300 plus breweries.
Wow, that's a lot of breweries.
That's a lot. I sent Raisinets for Alex to eat while watching a movie. Here you go.
Cheers, thank you. We'll take those out of there.
And I saw how much Kate loved that Ghirardelli bar. So, you get the Raisinets, and she didn't specifically say this was mine, but she said, yeah.
She did.
Milk chocolate caramel! I can't believe this. So thank you so much. This is probably one of my favorite chocolate bars in America. I loved it. I gave it a 10 out of 10, so did you. Yeah. Thanks so much. I love this. Alex, you love your Raisinets, don't you?
Well, last night we had the biggest movie night ever and watched 2 movies in a row, and they would have been perfect for that.
Yeah. So we'll just have to have another one. Okay, are you getting your beers now?
I'll get my beard now.
I did look in the box ahead of time so we could refrigerate the beers for Alex.
We've got Bell's 2 Hearted Ale, and then we've got a strawberry blonde. I'm not sure what's best to drink first. I kind of think a fruity beer would be better to drink before an IPA. So I'm gonna go fruity first. This is Arbor Brewing Company, Strawberry Blonde, ale brewed with strawberries and spices.
Oh, 6.8%.
It's 6.8% for a blonde. That seems kind of very
Blondes
strong.
have more fun. Okay. I like the colour of this. The look of it reminds me of Austin Powers.
Oh, it definitely has that look, doesn't it? Let's see how this bad boy pours.
Nice crisp sound.
And you like my glass from Northern Monk? It's a very good brewery here in the UK.
Very amber, isn't it?
Does smell fruity. That's good.
I was going to say,
the strawberry flavour is there. You wouldn't think it is, but it's only like an essence of strawberry.
I was going to say, is this the first person who sent beer, but Tim Marie sent Samuel Adams.
Samuel Adams.
I don't think I'll ever like beer. Do a hand up emoji if you're a beer lover, and do a face if you hate beer.
Do all the beer emojis.
Oh yeah, do a hand up and a beer emoji if you like beer, and do that face.
I think that's good. I'm not usually into blondes.
You're not usually into
Not in that way.
Guy.
I'm talking about beer, but this is actually very nice.
Nice.
Can you taste the strawberry, Matt? It's there, but it's not like really pungent. It's not like Clockwork Tangerine is it?
Matt and Alex are doing like flipping wine tasting. Can we crack open some crisps already?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, we've got 3 crisps. We've got Great Lakes is the brand.
Ooh, these look
Made in Traverse City, Michigan, and by the Potato Chip Co.
I wonder if this is the same lake, although there could be more lakes, but I was going to say there's a big famous lake in Michigan called Lake Michigan, isn't there?
Oh, really? Okay, new bold flavour. Bold sea salt and vinegar potato chips. Yum! Ooh, barbecue potato chips, skin on.
Are they all skin on? Those other ones are skin on as well.
Oh, really? No.
Kettle cooked.
Kettle cooked original potato chip.
2 skin on.
I think we should start with
1
original.
Skin off. Ooh, barbecue.
Ooh, that was such a satisfying open. Wow. Very crunchy. Look how thick that crisp is. Chip. Cheers!
Cheers.
What a great crunch.
Yeah, you're so crunchy.
And a lovely sea salt.
And they're so original. They're so plain. Yet just that little bit of salt just really...
Sea salt and vinegar next.
Yeah.
And this says bold. I hope these are so...
What, did they used to have hair on them? And these are
sea
not
salt.
skin on.
Considering it says bold, it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. But still, a lovely flavour.
No, because those co-op ones would blow your head off. Lost one. Mandam.
They're nice.
Mandam.
Really good.
And they taste like real potato fried, whereas sometimes crisps taste a bit artificial.
I reckon these barbecue ones will be delicious. Look at that.
That barbecue flavour is real.
This is delicious. Yeah, they're like sweet barbecue, aren't
You know, sometimes barbecue can be like really caramelly and quite treacly. These are like light and smoky. And people, have you noticed that someone in the comments said about my crisp pinch? It's because I hate getting grease on my other fingers. So I like pinch them and then I just...
when they're saying they hate your pinch.
Yeah.
Wow. I need to stop.
They're a 10.
These are a 10, definitely. And then what's next?
What was I? I reckon it might actually be the normal, the plain, and then the sea salt for me.
The sea salt on the plain, I think, are just literally on the same playing field because the normal salt...
They are very close to me.
The normal salt is different to the sea salt, don't you think? They're so good. I'd say the barbecue ones are a 10 and the other two are a 9.
It might sound crazy, but I think those barbecue ones could be as good in a completely different way to the truffle crisps. And also to those Italian ones that I loved.
Oh, the basil, tomato, basil.
Oh, someone in that video, the Italian one, commented saying there definitely wasn't a chef putting fresh flavours on before they... I was like, we didn't mean it literally. It just feels so fresh.
Yeah,
that
it feels
could
like
have been
it's...
someone like a fresh pizza in Italy. Somehow they'd captured a really fresh flavour.
How
I didn't actually think there was a chef.
Garnishing.
Quick, before you close it, I need to put a bit more basil in there.
Those crisps are amazing. The crunch is a 10 out of 10 on all of them though, isn't it?
Yeah.
The skin on's actually nice, isn't it? I think probably a little bit better. So we got some combos!
I got distracted by the combos.
So these are actually a
Sriracha.
new flavour. So I wonder how many of you from America have actually tried these yet. So this is honey sriracha. Do you think these are going to be spicy?
No, because sriracha's not too spicy.
Unless you drink a shot glass worth.
Oh yeah, of course, that's going
If
to be
you've
spicy.
not watched our WTF yet, it should be out by now.
But when you put something like a hot sauce onto something like crisps, it's never that hot. Cheers. The pinch strikes again. So not too spicy. There's enough of the spice there that makes you There's just something about combos that are so good.
I can feel...
I think it's like the warmth, the pretzel.
I think it's the pretzel that's amazing, that covers your mouth. Okay, like my whole entire tongue. Oh, that's getting hotter. The more you like,
Yeah.
The whole entire tongue is completely spiced right now, but it's kind of that tingling
It's a
flavour.
nice mellow.
But there's something about the combos that's amazing. That outer shell. I think one was my limit.
Really? One?
Hot.
Have you only had one in this whole time?
Oh no, I've had 3.
Oh.
But the first one was okay.
Yeah.
And by limit, I mean heat. Woo-hoo!
They're really good.
They're really delicious though. If someone really can hack the spice, they probably won't find that spicy at all. But if you enjoy like a little hot flavour and you like combos, you have to get that because they're really nice, aren't they?
Yeah. And I've had a sneak peek in one of the other boxes and we've got the combo 7-layer dip.
7-layer dip! And 2
So-
people have sent them, so if we like them, we've got 2 bags.
Yeah, so if you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed on this channel.
And turn your notification bell on because we have American boxes to come, Japanese boxes to come, Belarus.
Germany.
We've got some really good boxes to come, so
and trying all the Kit Kats.
I'm excited for that. Okay, right. Should we get straight into the sweet, or do you want to start with the Nature Valley biscuits?
The Nature Valley biscuits.
So we have the brand Nature Valley here in England,
But not like this.
but we don't. And do you want to close up? And I've kind of just gone back to do a little paragraph. And it's the same with like some
Are
of
you
the.
going to do a little soliloquy?
It's the same with like the sun.
What is this, 12th night?
The special K bars and the Sunbite chips. Like we have the same sort of products, but they've got different names, and I wonder like how different they taste.
And slightly different flavours,
So these are the Nature Valley biscuits in blueberry. She has these every morning before work. Oh, you can really smell the blueberry. So we get Nature Valley, like
Bars.
our bars are a lot thicker, aren't they?
yeah.
Cheers.
Unless this is a different style. Oh, really good smell.
That tastes like blueberry jam. That tastes like the huckleberry or the. Wow, that blueberry's so strong.
Strong.
They're nice, but I don't think I could eat the 4 biscuits.
No, I don't think you'd need all 4, would you?
Maybe. It's just a lot of the same thing, isn't it?
Well, it is, although it has got good flavour, it's quite a bland texture because it really dries your mouth out.
That was nice though. I would just probably give it just a 7 because that blueberry flavour is just very new to me.
It's new to you. You've never tasted blueberries before.
It just tastes different. It's quite like sweet, isn't it, compared to like our blueberries?
Quite.
So these are Sanders, which I'm pretty sure she said was a local, didn't she? I grew up going to the Sanders factory with my grandparents since it was right by their house. Ooh, I wonder what like flavour I've got. Oh,
cheers.
Green. I'm not going to bite into that one. Cheers. Blueberry. I'm someone who doesn't believe in gummies and chocolate, so let's see.
It's kind of good and it kind of isn't. I've never had anything like this before.
Never. Now, considering I don't usually like chocolate and gummies, I think they don't go because it's like a gummy and chocolate.
Well, the thing is, chocolate and raisins go amazingly. But I think the gummy is too rubbery. So you break through the chocolate too soon and then you're still like chewing.
And you got like pieces. But I do love Marvellous Creations gummy bears.
But they're a lot smaller.
I am liking this, but the gummy bears are not usual flavours.
It's growing on me actually.
I'm enjoying this.
Really growing.
I might try another one. I hope to get another flavour. That's the only thing, you can't see what flavour you're getting.
No. Now we're going in for Bell's 2-headed ale. It's got a fish on both sides. I guess that's the 2 heads.
Crystal hadn't actually tried these before.
Oh.
She said she would be...
It's worth a try. It's worth a try.
This one's a really nice flavour. I feel like you can't make your mind up until you've tried every flavour. This is my favourite one. It almost tastes like grapefruit pineapple-y. This one's delicious.
This one's 7%.
Woo!
It's got a 6-month shelf life.
He wants to get you drunk.
She wants to see the after hours show live here.
That last gummy
this
bear was amazing.
Is a perfectly balanced IPA brewed with 100% Centennial hops and bursting with aromas ranging from pine to grapefruit, and that sounds amazing. Let us know, has anyone tried Bell's Brewing 2-headed ale? I'm going to give it a go now. Isn't that just the best sound ever?
I didn't like the first one I had.
Sniff that.
Oh, another one like really ambery.
I poured that really badly. I'm not sure why I just did that.
You know, did it out the side.
Yeah. So if this tastes anywhere as good as it smells, we're in for a treat. That's good.
What would you give them out of 10?
Probably an 8. Quite a harsh critic with beer. But for a 7% beer, that's actually quite easy drinking.
Really? This is Crystal's second favourite beer because she couldn't get the first one.
Good stuff. Good choice, Crystal. Good choice. Crystal knows about her beer. Right, what do you think?
No ta.
Okay.
What are you going to give these, by the way?
I think a 9. You know?
I think I'll give them a 9. They're really nice, and that chocolate's really yummy on
They're
there.
not going to break the 10
How
barrier.
cute that gummy bear's like
falling in, yeah. As I've said before, I'm not that big into sweets, but combine sweets with chocolate, and I'm there.
Yeah, if you've tried, you need to try the Cadbury's Marvellous Creations. It's not everyone's cup of tea. That gummy and chocolate. You'll find a lot of people don't like gummy and chocolate mix, but I actually really like it.
It's nice like having a bit of chew with your chocolate.
So what are these?
These are sour cherry patches. That one looked like it jumped then. It freaked me out for a second.
Cherry Republic.
Artificially flavoured, original.
These look local, and this is the same brand as this, Cherry Republic.
Oh,
Live
they make that
Liberty
jam as well.
Peaches Pie. This is like packaging looks amazing.
We still got that knife around. Grip
Oh,
on
hold
that.
on, there's this. There we go.
I guess it did work.
I wonder if these will taste like, was it Boston where we had the sour, sweet cherry balls?
Yeah, but they didn't have anything on the outside, so I think
No.
automatically these are going to be quite different. And they're very small.
They're tiny.
Do you want more
They're
than one?
cute. Yes, please.
Do you want more than 2?
No. Thank you. They're soft.
Good flavour.
Got the tang right in the cheeks. They're really nice.
Nice. I'll go back to these.
Wow, these are really good.
These sriracha things are so incredible.
What are you giving these? I'm giving them a high 8.5.
I'm giving them a 7.
They're really good. Let's see how our toast is going.
Ooh,
Looks good, doesn't it?
looks like it's got cherries all up in there.
I know, it looks really thick. I'll cut half because, hot. I like butter on my toast. Alex doesn't. Gotta get right to the corners, you see.
Right, should we pop this? You want to do the honours? Handcrafted in Michigan?
Oh yeah, go on then. This looks really good. Don't you just love that? That almost looks like a Christmas ornament.
Oh, I could hang that right on my tree.
There we go, there's the pop.
Not a lot of flavour.
Can't
Looks a bit
smell
like
anything.
a chutney.
I know. I wonder if that's because it's quite like natural. Oh, it's quite thick, isn't
Very
it?
thick on top.
Oh wow.
All down the side. It looks like a red onion, like a caramelised red onion chutney.
Yeah. I feel like, didn't Crystal say she doesn't like cherries? I'm not too big of a fan of cherries, but even I like the gummies.
Oh, right. So she
So
might not like this
this.
taste. Cheers.
Cheers, I'm intrigued. This is delicious. I really do think this tastes more like a marmalade.
I can't work it out. I think it's quite caramelly. Definitely doesn't taste like cherry.
I think marmalade.
It is like marmalade. But as she said, these aren't the sweet cherries. Like in other places. These are the bitter cherries, are they? Which will explain why
Didn't she say?
Chart.
This is really nice because I like jam on toast, but sometimes it's too sweet. And this feels like you could have this in the morning.
Very good.
Not so much cherries in there. I didn't think I was going to like that.
Really?
And I've listened to everyone in the comments. I know I need to take bigger bites if I think I'm not going
And
to
she
like
said,
something.
shut up.
And look, I've eaten the whole thing. I absolutely love that.
You know
I think
what
that
they
has...
say?
What?
Don't judge a book by its cover.
What are you giving that?
It's a strange one. I do like it, but I'm going to give it an
Because
8.
it is jam. Last thing, I'll give it an 8. But in terms of the huckleberry and everything, I feel like that's just as good as the huckleberry. I think that's actually like so good. I think I'm giving that a 10 actually.
I think prefer this more than the huckleberry stuff. It's on a par for me.
Me too, and I swear I gave huckleberry like 10. So that's on par. In the world of jam, it's a 10, but compared to like some sweets and stuff, it's not a 10, it's like an 8.
Like if I went to breakfast somewhere and all these jams were on offer,
Yeah,
I'd be in heaven.
I'd be in heaven.
I've realised I've died.
That was really good. I really like that.
Thank you, Crystal, for sending us that. We do appreciate it.
Yeah, and we're going to take that up to Liverpool with us and let our nan and granddad try it as well, because they'll love that. Oh my word, what a great little box that was.
I do think it's the sriracha combos that are making me really hot.
Probably because you're like sweating again.
Hot again.
Can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. That was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And what's even more awesome is I have some Ghirardelli caramel milk chocolate, and you have
What's
some
more
Raisinets.
awesome is I've got a movie night coming up.
How good.
So, you know,
What a great box. Thanks so much, Crystal. And we have sent you a candy box, and I believe she really enjoyed it. I think that was a really great box. Did you enjoy that?
I'm biased because she plied me with beer, so I'm gonna say I liked it. But it was a good box. The combos were great, the crisps were great. As she said, she knows we like crisps. These jellies were good, covered in chocolate.
And that jam was delicious. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it, did you?
I really enjoyed that.
And if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and the like. Do it now.
And yeah, thumbs up is a like.
And thumbs it up.
Anyway, thank you so much, Crystal. We have sent you a box of our British candy, and for anyone else who'd like to get themselves some British candy, don't forget to check the link down below or the link up there. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.